All right, ladies and gentlemen, wish you a very good evening. This is Sanjay Singh, and I'm your speaker for today. We're going to talk on this topic, which is very interesting, storytelling in sales. जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज का टॉपिक है storytelling in sales, and we are going to talk on this topic called storytelling in sales. We are going to learn how to make use of stories in our sales call. So, a very warm good evening to all of you there on Zoom, on Instagram, and on YouTube. It's super awesome, super exciting to be talking to all of you and handling three platforms together. I'm especially excited on today's topic. And today's topic is storytelling in sales. और जब भी इसका जिक्र होता है, जब भी इस बात का जिक्र होता है कि स्टोरी बताई जाए सेल्स में, तो अक्सर people feel that storytelling is like hoodwinking a customer. No, storytelling is not hoodwinking a customer. So I'm not here to advise you that you should tell false stories. All the stories that we're going to say are true stories, but we will understand the science behind telling stories, when what stories are to be told, what are we going to achieve by telling these stories, and how these stories help us in taking our call forward. All right, fantastic. Today is a very special day for us, all of us here at Strategic Concepts, because today is the 158th edition of Sales Ki Pathshala. जी हाँ दोस्तों, आज का जो सेशन है ये 150वां सेशन है हमारे सेल्स की पाठशाला का. 150 वीक्स विदाउट ड्रॉप, विदाउट फेल, वी हैव बीन continuously streaming every Wednesday, and I thank all of you who have joined me today to celebrate this 150th occasion of Sales की पाठशाला. जी हाँ दोस्तों, आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रही है सेल्स कथा. So Sales Katha is a proprietary product trademarked by us, which talks about the art of storytelling in sales. तो आज जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे, हम आपके साथ इसी सेल्स कथा के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे. All right, fantastic. I can see that. Good evening from Neeraj Srivastav, from Ashok Kumar. All right, thank you so much, guys, there. And I can also see Samir Mankar, Sanjay Agarwal, Sanjay Lehekar, Soumyata, Shrikant, Sudhir, Vadivel, Vaibhav. Fantastic. You're all welcome. You're all welcome to this program. And remember to keep your mute button off, or sorry, on, so that your background sound doesn't disturb anyone. And remember to put your questions on the chat box so that as I move along, I can be handling your questions. Fantastic. Let's straight away gear off from here. And there are three questions which I want to ask all of you. Question number one: do you make use of storytelling in sales? Just give me a yes or no. Just go to the chat box and write a yes or no. Do you make use of storytelling in sales? Just write yes or no. For those of you who are on YouTube, just write a yes or no in the comment box. And those of you on Instagram, just write a yes or no. Do you make use of storytelling in sales? All right, fantastic. I have started getting my answer. All right, Soumyata says, no, I'm very bad at it. All right, Ayush says yes. Samir says yes. Neeraj, yes. All right, Soumyata, we learned today. You are a mother, so you cannot be bad at telling stories. Okay, we will learn how to tell the sales stories. Fantastic. All right, on Instagram, Manoj Sahai, almost sane, Obi Gotham, all are yes. Fantastic. Let us quickly learn why storytelling is important and what are the 7 types of stories to tell in sales. बहुत बहुत मजा आता है जब भी मैं ये प्रोग्राम करता हूं, क्योंकि why storytelling is important and what are the 7 types of stories to tell in sales. So दोस्तों, प्रोग्राम चालू करते मैं आपके सामने रखना चाहता हूं that customer pays attention when you tell a story. Customer will pay attention to you when you tell a story. And do you know why? Because in our brain, human brain, so customer also has got a brain. So in our brain, we have a lot of past experiences which are stored. So in the brain of the customer, there is a past experience that how a salesman behaves, how a salesman comes, how a salesman introduces himself, how a salesman starts talking. So when you start talking in front of a customer, and if you start talking exactly the way that the 100 salesmen who have met this customer before you have spoken, that's where you lose the plot, my friend. Why? Because in the customer's memory, those past experiences are stored. And whenever a customer observes anything related to the past experience, he doesn't feel excited. He doesn't feel, he doesn't secrete adrenaline. He doesn't secrete dopamine. And dopamine is something which the brain secretes, which means that the person is excited. And it's important for the person to be excited to be talking to a salesman, right? If the person is very boring, if the person is very down, very low, and he is starting to talk to you, I don't think you're going to enjoy that call. So, friends, it's very important that we should learn how to tell stories, because when we tell story, we create an anticipation in the mind of the customer. And remember, biologically speaking, when we create an anticipation in the minds of the customer's mind secretes dopamine. है ना मजे की बात? और कस्टमर के माइंड में जब डोपामिन सीक्रेट होती है बायोलॉजिकली, तो कस्टमर उत्तेजित हो जाता है आपसे बात करने के लिए. फिर कस्टमर बोलेगा, हाँ हाँ संजय जी बताइए क्या है, हाँ बताइए कैसे आप क्या मदद कर सकते हैं हमारी, हाँ बताइए मैं आपसे क्या सेवा ले सकता हूं. आपने भी नोटिस किया होगा, कभी कभी कस्टमर भी उत्तेजित होता है बात करते समय, और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कस्टमर बहुत बोरिंग रहता है बात करते समय. और कभी आपने सोचा है व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? वेल, the reason behind is this, that you have not been able to secrete dopamine in the minds of the customer, and hence he is boring. He is not secreting dopamine. Fantastic, guys. Can you go to the chat box and write dopamine for me? Because that's the building block. That's the building block. Just write D. Just write D and I'll understand. Dopamine. Fantastic. All right. Just write a D. Yes. Soumyata, Maximus, Jahid, Sanjay Agarwal, Samir Mankar. Thank you so much. You guys are so fast on the keyboard, man. Sudhir, welcome, guys. Welcome. Pandey, Rushikesh, Almost Sane, Obi Gautam. On Instagram, YouTube, I'm getting your comments streaming through and through. Fantastic. All of you have understood that customer से बात करते समय biologically मुझे उसके दिमाग के डोपामिन को सीक्रेट करवाना है. ओके अब डोपामिन को सीक्रेट कराना, अब मैं कोई डॉक्टर तो हूं नहीं, मेरे पास कोई दवा तो है नहीं, मैं कोई हिप्नोटिस्ट तो हूं नहीं, मैं सेल्स प्रोफेशनल हूं. मुझे पता है कैसे कस्टमर के माइंड के डोपामिन को सीक्रेट कराना है. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो एज वी मूव फॉरवर्ड, can you see on the screen, stories are one of the best ways to establish an emotional connection with our customer. Best way to establish an emotional connection. And I always say that if you're not able to emotionally connect with the customer, you will not be able to communicate further with the customer. So emotional connection with the customer is very, very important. Ajay Rajak, please put your video off. Please put your video off. Thank you. So stories are a good way to emotionally connect to the customer, and we must tell stories that relate to them or their business. जी हाँ दोस्तों, हमें कोई ऐसी सीता राम रामायण महाभारत की कहानी नहीं बतानी है, हमें तो ऐसा स्टोरी बताना है जो सामने वाले से रिलेट कर पाओ. ओके, और यहां से मेरी चैलेंज की शुरुआत होती है. और some simple facts aren't enough. जब मैं कस्टमर को सिंपल फैक्ट्स बताता हूं, कस्टमर को मजा नहीं आता. क्यों मजा नहीं आता? क्योंकि डोपामिन सीक्रेट नहीं हुआ. ऑलराइट, तो डोपामिन सीक्रेट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? अतुल पंडित, प्लीज पुट योर वीडियो ऑफ. I want all of you to please put your video off so that we save on bandwidth. Thank you so much. So if you see on the screen how another of your customer had a similar situation to this client and changed it. देखिए, स्टोरी बताने के मैं 4 तरीके बता रहा हूं आपको, कि अगर आप एक कस्टमर से बात कर रहे हैं और अगर कस्टमर को आप एक सिमिलर सिचुएशन किसी और कस्टमर की स्टोरी बताते हैं, तो वो भी एक स्टोरी बताने का तरीका है. Second, how you have helped another customer to deal with a challenge that seemed unsurmountable. Third, how different types of customers have used similar solutions. Fourth, the result that your solution provided for a similar sized client. है ना? तो आप अपने ग्राहकों को अपने किसी और ग्राहक की स्टोरी बता के एंगेज कर सकते हैं, राइट? यहां तक तो बात क्लियर हो गई कि जब मैं किसी और ग्राहक, अब यह और ग्राहक मनगढ़ंत है या वाकई में हकीकत में है, दैट्स योर चॉइस, बट आई कैन ऑलवेज टेक एक्सक्यूज ऑफ अनदर कस्टमर विदाउट यूजिंग हिज नेम and relate to the customer challenges because he will relate better to that. All right, very good. Okay, a lot of people joining on Insta. Lokit Jangid, MSR Rao, Mitesh Singhania. Hi guys, you're welcome there. Fantastic. अब हम इस कहानी को थोड़ी आगे बढ़ाते हैं. अभी तक तो ये समझ में आ गया कि स्टोरीज की चयन कैसे करनी है. आइए क्विकली एक स्टोरी का फ्रेमवर्क समझ लेते हैं. And if you see on the screen, for those of you who are on Zoom, on YouTube, Instagram, I'm sorry, I'm not able to show the screen to you. But those of you who are on Zoom and YouTube, you can see the screen there. That what you see on the screen is a simple story framework. है ना? ये चाहे बड़जातिया जी जो हों, जो हिंदी मूवी बनाते हैं बॉलीवुड की, या आप हो या मैं हूं, हम स्टोरी इसी तरीके से बनाते हैं. तो देखिए दोस्तों, स्टोरी की शुरुआत होती है एक सेटिंग से. देयर इज अ सेटिंग, जैसे आप बोलते हैं कि अयोध्या में राम पैदा हुए, तो अयोध्या इज अ सेटिंग. ओके, तो सेटिंग से कहानी चालू होती है. फिर धीरे से कहानी में कोई ट्विस्ट आ जाती है. देयर इज अ कॉम्प्लिकेशन इन द स्टोरी, and then there is a turning point, and then there is a resolution. अगर ये चार तत्व आपके स्टोरी में है तो आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी है. All right, Richie 101010 and Mittal 1906. You are welcome guys on Instagram. You're welcome there. Thank you very much. ये चार तत्व अगर आपकी स्टोरी में है तो आपकी स्टोरी अच्छी है. क्या ये बहुत थ्योरेटिकल नहीं हो रहा है? थोड़ी सी प्रैक्टिकल करके देखते हैं. तो अगर मैं एक स्टोरी बताना चाहता हूं, आइए मैं आपको अपनी कुछ स्टोरीज बताता हूं. मैं एक बार किसी ग्राहक से बात कर रहा था और ग्राहक ने बोला कि संजय सिंह, आपकी फीस बहुत ज्यादा है. आप दिन का 2 लाख रुपया चार्ज करते हैं, हमें तो 20,000 में दिन भर काम करने के लिए ट्रेनर मिल जाते हैं. तो उनको मैंने स्टोरी कैसे बताई, उसका उल्लेख देता हूं आपको ताकि आप समझ पाए दैट व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय स्टोरी. So I started that, sir, you're absolutely right, and I cannot contest your experience. But do you know something? I once had this customer in FMCG segment. And that customer also felt that I was very expensive. Well, to cut the long story short, he got another trainer and did his job. But do you know something? Training हो जाने के बाद कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. There was no difference in the result. एंड बद से बदतर हो गई. पहले वो 2 करोड़ का माल बेचते थे, अब वो 1.25 करोड़ के माल पे आ गए और कॉम्प्लिकेशन आ गई सर. और एकदम से सिचुएशन इतनी गंभीर हो गई कि दे वर नॉट एबल टू मीट देयर बॉटम लाइन. एंड दैट इज द टाइम दे अप्रोच्ड मी, एंड प्योरली ऑन माय गुड नेचर आई सेड दैट सर, आई विल नॉट चार्ज यू मनी, लेट मी फर्स्ट टर्न यू अराउंड एंड देन विल टॉक बिजनेस. And I did some programs for them, and thank God, God was very kind. It turned around. We went back to the level of 2 crore business, and then we sat down on the table to resolve as to how to move forward. छोटी सी स्टोरी मैंने बताई. FMCG सेक्टर में एक कस्टमर को क्रिएट किया, शायद क्रिएट किया या शायद है, तो एक सेटिंग हो गई. फिर उनमें एक कॉम्प्लिकेशन क्रिएट हुआ कि उन्होंने एक ट्रेनर लिया और उससे कुछ काम नहीं जमा, और फिर मैंने एक टर्निंग पॉइंट क्रिएट किया, रिजोल्यूशन की तरफ लेके गया. आशा करता हूं आपको simple story framework clear hai. So if the simple story framework is clear to all of you, just go to the chat box and write a yes for me so that I know that we are on the same plane. All right, Ayush Mishra, Maximus, Samir Mankar, Soumyata, Ashutosh, Mayur Gadbail, thank you so much guys. Mr. D Singh, Raj Vardhan, oh my God, Raj, you're welcome. So nice to see you today. All right, wonderful. So now we have this simple story framework. And I'm so excited to see one of my very, very old friend and a very senior person, Raj Vardhan. Can I request you to put your video on so that I can seek your opinion on this topic that we have done till now? Raj Vardhan, can I ask you to put your video on? All right, Raj doesn't seem to be ready for it. Raj, I'll get back to you. So, friends, this is the simple story framework for all of you. Okay, fantastic. Now we take this discussion forward. अब थोड़ी सी sales की दुनिया में आ जाते हैं. All right. Let's come to the discussion which is very close on sales. Okay, fantastic. Okay, Raj Vardhan says I am not that Raj. So, okay, Raj, I get your point, but I don't know how you know my Raj. So I'm sure we have some common connection. We'll talk that later. So now we come to the scenario of sales. And what do you see on the screen there? You see the buying and selling process. And what is there on the buying and selling process? So on the top, you have the buyer. So there is a need definition at the buyer end, and the buyer seeks solution. And then he goes ahead to minimize the risk that he has. And similarly, the seller, so the seller establishes the connect with the customer. So when the customer has got the need, the seller is trying to establish the connect. That is why the color coding, both are blue boxes. And when the customer is having a solution option, then the seller is trying to differentiate that his solution is better than competitors. And when the customer is trying to balance his risk to decide whether to go with a particular vendor or not, the salesman is trying to close the deal. I'm sure you understand the three levels of selling and buying process. Okay. And I'm really excited. I'm introducing the 7-story metaphor. ये जो सेल्स के 3 पायदान है, जो ब्लू डब्बा है, जहां ग्राहक अपनी नीड डिसाइड करता होता है और उसी समय कस्टमर कनेक्ट एस्टैब्लिश करने की कोशिश करता होता है. ऑलराइट. Hi, Matisha Parik. You have joined me on Instagram. Welcome, Matisha. Good to see you. So the customer is trying to establish his need and the seller is trying to establish the connect. फिशिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी में इसको बोलते हैं हुक. नीचे देखिए लिखा है हुक, मतलब seller is trying to create a hook with the sales, with the customer. Okay. And so, hi, Matisha. And then moving forward, solution. जब customer solution के फिराक में है, जब वो options को study कर रहा है, तो seller is trying to differentiate. So in terms of fishing parlance, the fish is trying to fight. All right. The salesman is trying to fight the challenge and trying to establish his supremacy on the program. All right. All right. Same here, Matisha. Sonal Khosla, you're welcome on Instagram. And then the red box, balance risk. When the customer is trying to decide on the seller is trying to close the deal. अब देखिए मजेदार बात है. Hook, fight and land. 3 सिचुएशन है. अब तीनों सिचुएशन में किस तरह की स्टोरी बोलने से कस्टमर खुश होता है is what we are going to learn. Yes, friends, in the next 35 minutes, we are going to learn 7 different kinds of stories, and we are going to find out how these 7 stories can help me close big deals. Interesting, isn't it? Very interesting. So let me take it forward. And what are the 7 stories? ये जो 7 story है, what are those 7 stories that we are talking about? All right, let's look at the hook stories. And what is the hook scenario? The hook scenario is those people who are at the time of establishing the initial connect with the customer. You're trying to create a hook. So what are the 3 kinds of stories that you can tell right at the point when you're trying to create a hook? Okay, so your personal story, your key staff story, and your company creation story. 3 तरह की स्टोरी आप हुक पॉइंट पे बोल सकते हैं. चलिए मैं शुरुआत में आपको मैं अपनी पर्सनल स्टोरी बताता हूं. So whenever I meet a corporate client and after the initial niceties are over, I'm Sanjay Singh and he's so and so and so and so forth, and then we say that all right, and somewhere the customer who is meeting me for the first time says, yes, Mr. Singh, can we know something more about you? All right. So the moment the customer says, can we know something more about you? Let me tell you how a stupid salesman will talk. And don't take me otherwise. I'm using the word stupid so that you can differentiate between a professional salesman and a non-professional salesman. So don't take my words otherwise. So a non-professional salesman will say, sir, my name is Sanjay Singh. I have done my engineering. I'm one of the best sales trainers in the country. And my clients are LG Electronics, ICICI Bank, Airtel, Amway, and so on and so forth. Stupid salesperson. He is not a professional salesperson. Now let's hear how a professional salesperson will tell a story. And this is at the time of introduction, after the initial niceties are over. So here I go. So, sir, I mean, you already have my card. So I'm Sanjay. I actually started my career way back into sales when I was in class 11. And so there's a setting. When I was in class 11, I started my sales career. And sir, I am one of the proud members of Eureka Force, which started door-to-door selling in the country. I did door-to-door selling for 1.5 years, learned my basic sales, moved on to do my engineering and MBA, and subsequently moved across US, UK, and Africa to do my work, and came back to India in 98. And ever since, I very strongly believe in the religion of sales. Now, can you see that small story that I built there? And it's a true story. It's not a false story. It's a true story that I built there at the time of introduction. Do you appreciate, do you understand that how this introduction will help me connect to the person that I'm talking to? And had I said that, oh, I'm one of the best trainers in the world and I speak very good English, I've read a lot of books, I have been selling for the last 38 years, and please give me the job. This is not the way. You didn't tell a story. And if you didn't tell a story, then the customer is not going to get connected with you. I hope you understand. And we have time. Let me quickly ask someone to try a hook story on the personal story. And let me see who I talk to. All right, let me talk to Mr. Praful Lichade. Praful Lichade from Maximus. Yes, Praful, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, sir.
All right, Praful, just introduce yourself for the benefit of everyone before we start with the role play.
Yeah, so myself, Praful, and I'm Managing Director of Maximus IT Services, Nagpur.
All right, so Praful gave his introduction without a story. So now, Praful, the role play there for you is...
Okay,
yeah, no problem, no problem.
Okay.
So Praful is now going to tell his story with his introduction with a personal story. And your story should not be more than 1.5 to 2 minutes long, Praful.
Yeah.
Your time starts now. Go ahead.
Hey, hi Sanjay. This is Praful. Actually, right now I'm working as a Managing Director of Maximus. Before that, I have been working with Capgemini as a consultant, wherein I helped a couple of overseas clients to get them.
All right, there's no story there. There's no story. There's a lot of facts. There's a lot of facts.
Okay.
I don't take that. That's a lot of facts. So Praful, I'll tell the story like this, that, hey there, my name is Praful. And you know something, I have, even when I was a small child, I was always intrigued by everything that was automation. So I was intrigued by the electric thermometer. I was intrigued by the computer. And I was so lucky that my father brought a small computer for me, even when I was in class 8. And to cut the long story short, sir, there was a fast forward and I found myself in Capgemini after having done my engineering. And through Capgemini, can you see how I'm building the story, Praful?
Yes, sir.
Fantastic there. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Let me quickly have someone else to try out. All right. Whom do I take it? All right. Weber from JJ Plast Alloys. Weber, just unhook yourself, man. Weber Pathak, not coming on the camera. Okay. Yes, good evening, Weber. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Would you like to show your face or would you not like to show your face? Okay, doesn't like to show his face. Okay, no problem. So now you see, Weber, that on the hook story, there are 3 different kinds of stories. The first one we have just done, which is your personal story. Now let's do the key staff story. And what is the key staff story? a lot of times when I'm introducing my company, I don't want to brag about myself. I want to brag about a key staff in my company. All right. So when if I'm talking to a customer, then I would go something like this: that sir, we are into sales consulting, and do you know something? I have an excellent resource with me. In fact, I'm so proud of that resource, because this resource has helped me come out of every troubled waters. And the last time I was working with a client who was very similar to you in his profile, this staff of mine that I'm talking about actually helped me turn around the corners, because that client, similar to yours, also had a problem on digital marketing. And this key staff that is an expert on digital marketing actually helped me in working with that client. Do you understand my story, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
So during my introduction, I'm telling a key staff story. So I'm discussing three kinds of stories at the introduction stage. कहीं पे your personal story चलेगी, कहीं पे key staff story चलेगी, कहीं पे company creation story चलेगी. आइए वैभव पाठक, जो कि sales manager हैं, exports देखते हैं, JJ Plast Alloys, manufacturer of master batches, हमारे सामने कोशिश करेंगे key staff story बोलने की. Yes, Mr. Vaibhav. So we are making color master batches, and I have already read about you in your email. So please tell me, how do you go about it? Because my problem is very special. I need a particular kind of red which no one is able to match.
Thank you so much, Sanjay sir, for giving me an opportunity to discuss about our products. And I'm sure that we can solve your problem for the Red Master Batch. I have my executive director, technical, Mr. Prashant, who is very well versed in this type of the task. Even we had developed a Coca-Cola Red, which is approved in South America and many other countries in the world. And so he
All
is
right. Okay,
very,
Vaibhav, sorry to interrupt. Your setting is right,
yeah.
but you are not telling it in the form of story. So I have gone back to the slide. Can you see it on the slide? Once you start telling the story, there has to be a complication, and there has to be a turning point and then resolution. Only then your statements will look like a story. Am I together with you, Vaibhav?
Sir, complication point, how to put the complication?
हाँ, सो देखिए, आपकी जो स्टोरी आप बता रहे थे, मैं आपके भी यहाँ पे बताता हूँ कि सर, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू बी टॉकिंग टू यू सर, बिकॉज ये जो आपका पर्टिकुलर रेड कलर चाहिए ना, तो ऐसे ही सर हमारे एक क्लाइंट था वाराणसी में, जिसको एक पर्टिकुलर येलो कलर चाहिए थी, है ना, एंड दिस वाज सम 4 years बैक. सेटिंग हो गया, 4 years बैक वाराणसी में येलो कलर चाहिए थी. ओके सर, ये येलो कलर जो उनको चाहिए थी वो कमबख्त बने ही ना. We were just not able to do it, and the customer was fretting and fuming. And then my executive director, who is a gem of a person, sir, he is from IIT and he knows colors like inside out. तो जब उनके नजर में बात आई सर, तो उन्होंने सैंपल लिया, and believe you me sir, believe you me, 48 hours he was able to match the exact shade of yellow. और वो दिन है और आज का दिन है, हम उस कस्टमर को 10 टन माल हर महीने सप्लाई करते हैं सर. वैभव,
Yeah, okay, sir. Clear, sir.
did you find the complication there?
Yes, sir.
Did you find the turning point there?
Yeah, yes, yes.
And did you find the voice modulation there? क्योंकि स्टोरी एज अ बोरिंग स्टाइल में स्टोरी नहीं बोल सकते यार. स्टोरी बोलने के लिए थोड़ा सा जोश, थोड़ी सी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ, आपने सुना होगा जब आपकी दादा दादी नाना नानी स्टोरी बताते हैं, घर के अंदर कभी भी बाप स्टोरी नहीं बताता, माँ स्टोरी बताती है. व्हाट इज द रीजन? बिकॉज मदर एंड दादी एंड नानी हैज अ लॉट ऑफ वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन. So you cannot tell a story without voice modulation. You cannot say कि एक शेर था और वो शेर आया और खा लिया और चला गया. अरे इसमें क्या स्टोरी होगी? थोड़ी सी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन चाहिए ना वैभव, कि एक शेर था और वो आया टपक टपक टकपक 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 टकपक, एंड सडनली झपक के उसने खाया. So can you see the voice modulation there, Vaibhav?
Yes, sir.
फैंटास्टिक देयर. सो थोड़ा सा थिएटर, थोड़ा सा आपको लगेगा कि सर सेल्स कॉल में इतनी नाटक करना जरूरी है क्या?
हम
आपको
लोग तो
लगेगा कि
पहले
सर
से
सेल्स
सेल्स वाले पहले से फिल्मी होते हैं सर. वी कैन मेक इट.
All right, very good. Sales वाले पहले से फिल्मी होते हैं. That's Vaibhav Pathak for you, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Varanasi, JJ Plus Alloys. Thank you very much, Vaibhav. So,
Thank you, sir.
guys, we were talking about the three kinds of stories which you can tell at the hook story stage. And the third story is company creation story. A lot of times when you're talking to big clients, the customer asks you, Sonal Khosla is very happy on Instagram. Thank you so much for explaining it. Thank you so much, Sonal. Come here every Wednesday and we'll explain you a lot of new things, guys. I'm so happy that you've joined me today. कंपनी क्रिएशन, बहुत बार कंपनी पूछती है आपको, आपके कस्टमर पूछते हैं कि थोड़ा अपने कंपनी के बारे बताइए. ऑलराइट, तो आइए मैं भी यहाँ किसी से पूछता हूँ, थोड़ी अपनी कंपनी के बारे बताइए, देखता हूँ कि कैसे वो बताते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो मिस्टर वाडीवेल, कैन आई टॉक टू यू? वाडीवेल, आर यू देयर? मिस्टर वाडीवेल?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. I am there, sir.
Good evening, Waddywell. Just introduce yourself quickly.
Yeah, my name Vadivel, sir. From Chems Forgings Limited, Bangalore.
Okay,
We
fantastic.
are into
Hold on,
manufacture
hold on,
of
hold on,
forgings
hold
and
on, hold on.
machined components.
That's what you have to do. Hold on. So if I'm your customer, Waddywell, and if I ask you that, okay, Mr. Waddywell, I have heard about you. Can you tell me something about your company? And remember, you have to tell me about your company in the story form, not that I am a forging company and I make this forging and I have this. No, not like that. Yes, Waddywell, go ahead.
We are sir, we are a major forging manufacturers in Bangalore, Karnataka state. We are a 30-year-old forging company. We do
where is
all
the story?
solutions.
Where is the story? Can you see the story framework very well? There has to be a setting, there has to be a complication, there
Yes,
has to
yes,
be a
sir.
turning point, and there has to be a resolution. Where is the story? You are saying very straight, I'm Chems Forging, I'm a 40-year-old
Yes.
company, I make the best forging in the world, and no one else in the world can match me, so you please give me the order. There's no story there. Where is the story, man? Okay, anyone else from Chems Forging
Yes.
would like to try a story there? Mr. Sudhir, would you like to try a story? Mr. Sudhir? Okay, no problem there. So आपको समझ में तो आ रहा है. I think Vadivel, you're understanding the point. So if I'm in your place, Vadivel, I'll create a story like this.
Yes.
That's
Am I audible?
yes, Sudhir sir, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah. I'm Sudhir from Cames. Our company started in 1965. We were in trading, and one day I was called by his customer, and they were in difficulties for having a shortage in some forgings. That day, being nowhere, we ventured in forgings, and this is the day we are the India's third, one of the three best companies, and catering to major OEMs, India
Fantastic.
and overseas.
Fantastic, Sudhir sir. Excellent effort. Fantastic. So we need some more voice modulation, but there was a setting, there was a complication, there was a turning point, there was a resolution. So thank you very much, Sudhir sir, for that small story.
Thank
So
you.
guys, all of you, I think you understand that at the hook stage, when you're at the hook stage with the customer, please be ready with three different kinds of stories. One is your personal story, second is your key staff story, and third is your company creation story. Fantastic. We take the call forward. And where have we reached in the call? We have reached the second stage, which is the solutions and options stage. And the customer has a lot of options in front of them. And as a salesperson, you're trying to differentiate yourself and your company, your product and services on the customer's table. And let me tell you, this is the most difficult stage of sales. Now, at this stage, there are two kinds of stories that you can tell. The first type is known as insight stories, and the second one is known as success stories. कहीं आप लोग को boring तो नहीं लग रहा है? Can you quickly go to the chat box and write enjoying? Please go to the chat box and write enjoying, because I want to be sure that are you enjoying the program or not. Okay, Ashutosh is enjoying, Ayush is enjoying, Sanjay Agarwal, Sudhir, Mayur, Jahir, Kashif, everyone is enjoying. Thank you so much. बहुत बार क्या होता है कि मैं ट्रेनिंग देते देखते भूल जाता हूं, मैं तो एंजॉय कर रहा हूं बट मैं भूल जाता हूं कि पब्लिक एंजॉय कर रही है कि नहीं। तो बीच बीच में पूछ लेना जरूरी है, पुष्टिकरण हो जाती है, कंफर्मेशन हो जाता है कि एवरीवन इज एंजॉयिंग। थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर योर सपोर्ट, super awesome. Inside stories, success stories. And what do I mean by inside stories? Inside stories से मैं कस्टमर को यह बताना चाहता हूं कि मैं इस इंडस्ट्री में इतने सालों से काम कर रहा हूं, तो आई हैव गॉट सर्टेन इनसाइट्स अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री, एंड एज ए सेल्स पर्सन आई शुड शेयर दोज इनसाइट्स विथ यू। बट कस्टमर बोलता है नहीं, मैं तुम्हारी बकवास नहीं सुनूंगा। द कस्टमर सेज नो, आई एम नॉट रेडी टू लिसन टू योर बुलशिट, because till I start talking sense, customer always feels that I am nonsense. And that's very interesting. Till I start talking sense, the customer always feels that I'm talking nonsense. So how do I give my sense to him? That's what I call inside story. And let's quickly see the framework of an inside story. Inside story की framework कैसे होगी? देखिए, y axis पे tension build हो रहा है, x axis पे time build हो रहा है. So as I start telling the story, so there is a research setting. It's not a normal setting, it's a research setting. All right. And then थोड़ा कहानी आगे बढ़ता है, there is fumbling for a solution. कि पता नहीं चल रहा solution क्या है। जैसे मैंने अभी वैभव पाठक के साथ किया कि येलो कलर बनानी थी एंड हम फंबल कर रहे थे, पता नहीं चला कैसे बनेगा। And then Mr. Mahankar, Eureka, and he created it. And then now we understand how to match a color properly. Can you understand that inside story? Yes, that's an inside story. Wonderful. I want some of you to please try and be very, very frank. Come forward, try the inside story, and I'm sure you'll enjoy the program much better. I'm just looking for someone. Mitesh Singhania, let me do this call with you. Mr. Mitesh Singhania, can you quickly unmute yourself and put your video on and give a small intro of yours, hopefully in the form of story?
Hello,
Yeah,
sir.
hello Mitesh. आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है.
सर अभी आ रही है?
थोड़ा और पास करो. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your introduction first.
Ashu, my name is Mitesh Singhania. I'm from Raipur. I'm into industrial supply business. Actually, we not only supply, we give services, we get attached with your companies, industries and all.
Okay,
हम लोग
perfect. So अगली बार ये स्टोरी को थोड़ा स्टोरी फॉर्म में बताना.
Sir,
अभी बहुत ही
yeah,
ड्रैब हो गया, मतलब नानी के फॉर्म में नहीं बताया आपने, नाना के फॉर्म में बता दिया. नो प्रॉब्लम. इनसाइड स्टोरी बतानी है मितेश, इनसाइड स्टोरी बतानी है. एंड लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मितेश इज अ स्पेशलिस्ट ऑन बॉल bearings. So any machine which moves, which has mechanical movement, will need ball bearings to do the movement frictionless, and he's an expert on bearings. So Mitesh is having an insight on bearings. Okay, fantastic. Now Mitesh is sitting with me. I'm a customer and I am going to give a problem to Mitesh. Now Mitesh has to solve my problem by flaunting his insight in the form of story. Mitesh, are you clear?
yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So Mitesh ji, हमारा सरिया बनाने की फैक्ट्री है, तो हम लोग बेयरिंग नंबर 6172 यूज करते हैं नॉर्मली. तो अभी तक क्या है कि हर महीने हमारे 2800 बेयरिंग्स यूज होते थे, बट पिछले 3 महीने से हमारे 4-4 हजार बेयरिंग यूज हो रहे हैं, जिसके कारण कि माय कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हैज गॉन अप ड्रास्टिकली.
Fine.
So what is it that you can do for me?
सर एक्चुअली मतलब जो आप बता रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम, ये कॉमन है प्रॉब्लम, इससे कोई बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. होता है क्योंकि आप ऑफिस में बैठे हैं और प्लांट के अंदर कुछ और चलते रहता है.
स्टोरी बोलना है, स्टोरी बोलना है,
सर
स्टोरी
चालू कर रहा हूँ सर, स्टोरी चालू कर रहा हूँ. नो द थिंग
Alright.
इज कि दिस इज अ बेसिक प्रॉब्लम. मतलब जैसे आप हैं वैसे और भी दूसरे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं. जैसे मैं लास्ट टाइम अभी एक और बड़े इंडस्ट्रीज है हीरा ग्रुप है रायपुर के, उनसे मैं मिला था, तो दे वर आल्सो फेसिंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम. उनका कंजम्पशन ज्यादा हो गया था. आपके तो छोटे बैरिंग्स हैं, उनके बड़े बैरिंग्स जो एक एक बैरिंग 1-1 लाख के आते हैं वो कंटिन्यूसली टूट रहे थे. तो देन वी सी कि हो क्या रहा है. सब पूरा पैनिक हो रखा था, मैनेजमेंट में पैनिक हो रखा था. सडनली 4 लाख के बैरिंग टूट गए थे. तो फिर वी कॉल अप द कंपनी पर्सन. कंपनी से फ्लाइट से आदमी आया, टेक्निकल आदमी आया, That too we arrange in a short notice. एक दिन के अंदर हम लोग arrange किए, वो आया, विजिट किया, देन पता चला कि कहीं ना कहीं उनके रोल्स में प्रॉब्लम था. It was a very minor problem, but that too मतलब it get मतलब solved within a two days. मैनेजमेंट गेट वेरी हैप्पी, मतलब कि ये 2 दिन के अंदर आप सॉल्यूशन करा दिए, एंड दैट टू वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम थी, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम विद अ बेरिंग. तो द थिंग इज कि जरूरी नहीं है कि
फैंटास्टिक, फैंटास्टिक. आई एम सो हैप्पी मितेश, दैट्स अ ग्रेट स्टोरी. थोड़ा सा भावना, थोड़ी सी वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, थोड़ा सा एक्साइटमेंट ला दो, एकदम अनुज बढ़ जाती है कि पिक्चर हो जाएगी. So thank you so much, Mitesh. Guys, let us thank Mitesh. Wonderful, Mitesh. You can put your video off, and thank you for that participation. So you guys, you saw there, that's an inside story. आप जब कस्टमर को अपनी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर की इनसाइट बताने की कोशिश करते हैं तो कस्टमर बोलता है ये तो सेल्स टॉक है, आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन इट. बट व्हेन यू टेल योर इनसाइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ स्टोरी, customer is interested. Why? Because it exudes dopamine in his mind. So Mitesh gave me a story that there was one customer. Just Mitesh, one point, don't use the word Hira Steel. Never use the word name of your company because that's unethical. So you should always say there was one steel company in Urla Industrial Estate or something like that. That's good enough. Thank you so much, Mitesh. So when you start telling an inside story, like Mitesh said that there was this company in Urla Industrial Estate which had around 40% increment in the ball bearing usage. Make use of numbers, because आप स्टोरी सामने वाले के दिल बहलाने के लिए नहीं बोल रहे हैं, आप स्टोरी सामने वाले को एक पॉइंट कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, राइट? तो क्या पॉइंट है? आप पॉइंट को नंबर्स में लाइए कि दे हैड एन इंक्रीमेंट ऑफ 40% इन देयर बॉल बेयरिंग्स व्हिच लेड टू अ कंजम्पशन ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट around 9 lakhs of rupees per week. And that's the time they called me. I went and I tried to solve the problem. I fumbled. I was not able to do it. And quickly I arranged an engineer from my company. They flew down next day, and it was a small problem on the bed, on the roller. और वो दिन है और आज का दिन है. देखिए थ्योरम कैसे बनती है. वो दिन है और आज का दिन है. हम कहीं भी स्टील कंपनी में बॉल बेयरिंग सप्लाई करने के पहले हम आग्रह करते हैं, वी इंसिस्ट दैट वी विल चेक द क्वालिटी ऑफ रोलर्स. देखिए what it means, story ka last point, what it means. So I'm sure Mitesh, you understand that very well, and all of you understand how to do an inside story. And this is the inside story template, friends. For those all of you who would like to create an inside story, मैं आपको एक template share कर रहा हूं. आप लोग जितने लोग भी इस प्रोग्राम में हैं, ये PowerPoint presentation मैं आपके साथ share करूंगा, because knowledge बांटने से बढ़ती है, ऐसा मेरा सोचना है. तो मैं कुछ भी अपने पास नहीं रखता हूं. विल शेयर एवरीथिंग विथ यू. तो ये जो टेम्पलेट आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रही है, यस, इंस्टाग्राम, आई विल शेयर इट विथ ऑल ऑफ यू एज वेल. आई एम सो सॉरी डार्लिंग्स, यू कैन नॉट सी माय पीपीटी देयर, बट डोंट वरी, आई विल शेयर द PowerPoint with you. So if you look at the template there, you first write the story name, then create the point of the story. Like जब मितेश ने जो स्टोरी बताया, उसकी पॉइंट क्या थी? उसकी पॉइंट थी roller bearing wastage due to bad rollers. Okay, so point hai bad rollers. Then setting time and place. So Urla Industrial Estate in Raipur was the setting time and place. All right. And then complications and surprise. So complications हो गया कि 40% ball bearing बढ़ गया consumption, and it was so surprising कि पिछले 19 साल से ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. And then turning point, engineer flew in, and resolution. Can you see that template there? Fantastic. ये template जो है, इस template का इस्तेमाल कीजिए and brilliant insight stories बनाइए. I still have 13 more minutes and I want to quickly go to the next type of story which is called success stories. जी हाँ दोस्तों, ये जो दूसरा पायदान है, where you are trying to differentiate yourself with your customers, I mean vis-a-vis your competitors. तो पहला story है inside story. दूसरा स्टोरी है सक्सेस स्टोरी, और ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. सक्सेस स्टोरी इज वेरी एक्साइटिंग. आई नॉर्मली गेट वेरी एक्साइटेड व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट सक्सेस स्टोरी फ्रेमवर्क. इट्स सुपर ऑसम. ये मेरे पिछले इतने साल के एक्सपीरियंस से मैंने ये फ्रेमवर्क तैयार किया दोस्तों. जब मैं सक्सेस स्टोरी बताना चाहता हूं, मेरा मकसद क्या है? व्हाट इज माय ऑब्जेक्टिव? आई एम ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट टू द कस्टमर दैट आई हैव बीन वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन द पास्ट. Okay. Now, when I tell that I'm very successful in the past, it does not work because customer says, "Ye to apni," he's just bragging. He's just talking good about himself. So instead of saying that I'm very successful in the past, I'll create a story around success. All right, very good. Let me quickly do an example there. And I'm so glad to see you, Mrs. Mohini Kelkar, Managing Director, Grindmaster, Aurangabad. So nice to see you, madam, there. You're welcome to the program. All right, fantastic. All right, Kaushik Sutone. Kaushik from Blue Ladder. Can I talk to you quickly, Kaushik? Mr. Kaushik Sutone? All right, Kaushik not responding there. Okay, let me look at someone new there. Mr. Mahesh Toke. Mahesh Toke, can I talk to you?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mahesh, can you quickly introduce yourself for the audience?
Yeah, myself, Mahesh Toke. I'm from Grindmaster Machines, looking after the sales and application part of my activities, and I'm working with this company since last 25 years.
Okay, fantastic. So you're from
our-
Mohini Madam's team. All right, wonderful, Mr.
Yeah,
Toke. Now we are
yeah.
here in the midst of a program, and the role play that you have to do, Mahesh, is you have to
Yeah.
tell about any past success of Grindmaster. You know, in the past आपकी कंपनी ने कहीं तो भी एब्रेसिव्स दिया होगा जहां कि आप बहुत सक्सेसफुल थे और आप वो स्टोरी मुझे बताना चाहते हैं. All right, Mr. Mahesh Toke?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Let me see how you tell that story, and then I'll quickly tell you how to tell that story.
So Grindmaster is hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
You're audible. Go ahead.
Yeah, Grindmaster is basically we are selling all the product on the basis of application, not going on the basis of prices and all the competition basis. Okay, so everything we are selling on the application basis there.
Sure.
So we are going there, we are studying all the products and what
मुझे
they are doing.
एक स्टोरी के मार्फत आप बताइए कोई भी पास सक्सेस आपके किसी भी पुराने क्लाइंट के साथ कोई सक्सेस हुआ होगा सर, तो किसी स्टोरी के थ्रू मुझे बताने की कोशिश कीजिए. दैट्स द ऑब्जेक्टिव. यस मिस्टर महेश टोके.
या स्टोरी बता रहा हूं मैं. एक जगह जहां पे हमने दिया था हमारा जो प्रोडक्ट दिया था, पीपल वेर यूजिंग द एब्रेसिव्स एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग 2 tons ऑफ प्रोडक्शन एंड द कॉस्ट वाज वेरी हाई. सक्सेस स्टोरी ये था इसमें कि उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कॉस्ट और मैन पावर कॉस्ट ज्यादा था एंड प्रोडक्शन वाज वेरी लो देयर. देन वी इंट्रोड्यूस आवर एब्रेसिव बेल्ट इन दैट केस एंड प्रोडक्शन हैज कम डाउन एंड एक्चुअली ₹1 पर पीस की जगह 1 रुपीज पर केजी की जगह हमने 10 पैसा पर केजी का कॉस्ट रिड्यूस किया था वहां पे. सो दिस वाज अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल स्टोरी इन एब्रेसिव.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, Mahesh Toke just told us a story. Mahesh, बने रहिए, अभी जाइए मत. I'm just explaining the success story framework to you, and then you try to tell the same story with this framework, and let us see how the story improves. Okay, Mahesh? Yes, Mahesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, gentlemen, Mahesh just said a story that he supplied some material to a customer and it improved his costing. Now look at the framework. क्योंकि सीधा सीधा story बताते तो customer को मजा नहीं आता. All right. So look at the framework. First, I make the client a hero. Right.
Yeah.
So I will start the story. That's, sir, do you know, I had encountered one customer somewhere in 2008. And this customer was from Ludhiana. Setting हो गया? Mahesh Toke, setting ho gayi?
Yeah.
Okay. And now I have to make this client a hero. So, sir, this client from Ludhiana was superb. I mean, his knowledge of abrasives and his knowledge of how to minimize wastage was superb. So he was having a problem of waste management in his factory. And to be able to solve that problem, he once did a seminar. And I also happened to be in that seminar. And I don't know what I did that he fell in love with me. Mahesh Toke, meets guide. It started with Ludhiana client, making him the hero. Then creating a problem of waste control. Then he calls a seminar and you happen to be there and he meets you.
Yeah.
And now, see, you cannot say that you are the hero. So you make the client a hero. Then in the seminar, he meets you, and then you meet him, you create an action plan, and then you avoid that failure permanently and you become successful with him. Do you understand the structure there, Mahesh?
Yeah.
Very good. Now Mahesh is going to tell me the same story according to the structure. Yes,
Okay.
Mahesh, go ahead.
So now I will give you one more example of this one.
Yes,
So
Mahesh.
actually, I was looking after the north part of the India previously in 95 to 2000. Then I went to one place, this Aligarh. Aligarh is a very big Aligarh is a very big place where the blocks are produced. So one more company is famous company is there. Its name is Link Lock. So I came across these people actually in Delhi, where one seminar was going on surface finishing technologies there. So there we came across this person. I came across the consultant, who is the consultant to Linklock also. Then we went together to Linklock, and they were polishing all their locks manually with 40 people there. Then we replace that 40 people with only 2 people, introducing this belt grinding process there. It's a common technology. It's general. It's a very generic using these belts, but they were not known about this one. See how to polish these locks using this kind of belts there. And we removed near about 40 people, and there the cost of their production was reduced drastically from 1 rupees to 25 paisa. That was such a story.
Fantastic, Mahesh. Your story is perfect there. And I'm so honored to have you in this program. And I'm so honored, Mr. Ish Garg, Managing Director, and with a new designation, Calder, is joining me on Instagram. I always thought that Instagram only youngsters, but Ish Garg and myself, we are all youngsters on Instagram there. Sir, thank you so much for joining me on this program live on Instagram. So nice to have you there. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much. So, ladies and gentlemen, just 5 more minutes into the program, we have understood the success story framework, and this is the template that you have to use to make use of the success story template. So, you write the story name, the point of the story, the hero of the story, and remember, the hero of the story here is not you. The hero of the story is a customer who is a third-party customer. So the setting of the hero problem, then he meets a guide. And who is the guide? It's you. The guide is you. And then he provides a plan, avoids failure, achieves success. Can you see that template there? Fantastic. So now if you see on the screen, on the PPT, there are 3 stories that you need to master when the hook position. There are 2 stories that you need to master when you're in the fight position. And there are 2 stories which you need to master when you're at the closing position. Today, we don't have the time to cover these 2 stories, but I'm sure that you have got a quick insight into how to cover stories and how to make use of stories for your business. और दोस्तों, मैंने आज के प्रोग्राम के शुरुआत में बताया था. Yes, Ish, thank you so much for joining once again. I thank you for your thank you there on Instagram. Thank you so much. So, मैंने शुरुआत में बताया था कि storytelling is an integral part of selling. If you know how to tell your stories well, the customer will listen to you, because when you tell stories, you are able to create a secretion called dopamine in the customer's mind. Now, towards the end of the program, I'm trying to tell you, your story is the product. अगर आपको लगता है कि जो प्रोडक्ट आप बेचते हैं वो प्रोडक्ट है, आप किसी मृग तृष्णा में है दोस्तों. You are in a mirage, because the product that you're selling is actually not your product. The story that you make use to sell that product is the actual product. Because story बिकेगी तो product बिकेगा. Story नहीं बिकेगी तो product नहीं बिकेगा दोस्तों. And how strong is your story? How good you make the story. And remember, your story should not be too long. Your story should not be too long. Ideally, your story should not be longer than 2 minutes, maximum 2.5 minutes, because the attention span of the customer is not beyond that. So as I end my program today, I want to tell you that your story is your product, and learn to make good stories, craft nice stories. Don't tell lies. Don't create falsehood. I'm not looking at false stories. I'm looking at stories not to entertain the customer. I'm not telling stories to entertain the customer. I'm telling stories to communicate a point. I'm telling stories to drive a point home. Because if I tell it straightforward, the client doesn't appreciate it. So I want to drive a point home. तो hook create करते समय मैं personal story, key staff story and company creation story बताता हूँ. जब मैं differentiation create कर रहा हूँ तो मैं inside story, success story बताता हूँ. और जब मैं क्लोजिंग कर रहा हूं तो क्लोजिंग स्टोरी और लैंडिंग स्टोरी बताता हूं. किसी और दिन मिलेंगे तो ये करेंगे. तो दोस्तों अपने पास अब 1 मिनट का समय बच गया है एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड सो प्राउड that all of you take your valuable time at 4 o'clock every Wednesday to join me on SaleskiPathshala. I'm so proud and I'm so happy with my entire backend team, which ensures that they're able to put all of you together into this program every Wednesday, 4 to 5 p.m., doing it endlessly since the last 150 weeks. Yes, friends, today is also a celebration, 150th week into SaleskiPathshala. And just like we have it every week, I'm sure next week, which is coming up on 29th of July, we are having this program called SaleskiVidhi. आज की program जो थी, that was SaleskiKatha, which is storytelling in sales. और अगले Wednesday को हम program करने वाले हैं. We are going to do this program, which is called SaleskiVidhi. For those of you who do not understand Hindi, Vidhi means method. So next class, we are going to talk about the methods of madness in sales. So sales is a mad journey, but there definitely are a lot of methods in this madness. So next Wednesday at 4 o'clock sharp, we are going to talk about SaleskiVidhi. So at that juncture, friends, thank you so much for patching up today and joining all of us today in this program. May I request all of you to please put your videos on so that we can formally say goodbye to each other before signing off. This is one formality that I love doing. I love seeing all of your faces. Yeah, some of you keep on coming every Wednesday, and I'm so happy for that. Let me quickly talk to some of the new faces that I'm seeing there. So Ayush is feeling very hot. He is in his banyan. Okay. All right. Amit Senik, can you quickly, you are a new person there. Can you quickly introduce yourself and tell us how did you like the program? Unmute yourself, Amit. Unmute yourself.
Yeah. Sir, I already attended your live program in Raipur.
Okay. What is your business? What do you do?
I am from UPVC window, Skylar World.
Skylar World. Okay, okay. Good. How did you like the program?
Thank you, sir.
All right, very good. Mr. Mahesh Toke, what is your take on today's program? Unmute yourself, please.
Making attentive to customers.
All right, creating attention to the customer. All right, very good. Do I see any other new face there? All right, Sudhir sir, how did you like the program? What are your comments?
Yeah, very good, sir. Very good. I think we have not covered this, or I'm just not remembering. So
No,
otherwise, it's
new.
refreshing.
This is new. You will never find anything old from me. It's all new. All right,
Yeah,
very
great,
good. I
great.
can see
Nice,
Rajesh Ranjan Singh from London. Rajesh, what are your comments?
Yeah, I joined towards the tail end of the program, but as always, it's very engaging and super knowledgeable. So every time we gain something from being here.
All right, fantastic. Soumyata, what are your views on today's program? Do you feel you can tell stories now?
Yes, I think I can tell good stories. I was practicing side by side. Thank you so much.
All right, squadron leader Soumyata Singh there. Thank you so much, Soumyata. All right, Ajay Rajak, any comments from you?
फैंटास्टिक सर, आज तो काफी कुछ सीखने मिला. क्लाइंट्स के संग ज्यादा यही प्रॉब्लम रहती है कि वो कुछ स्टोरी चाहता है, वो आपने काफी आइडिया दिए, तो आज कुछ बहुत कुछ सीखा सर आज. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
All right, fantastic, guys. We still have so many more people, but I can't see so many videos. I think everyone is in a rush to go. So thank you so much once again for choosing your valuable time to join me on SaleskiPathshala. Thank you so much for making it 150 weeks old. Today is the 150th edition of the program. Many more miles to go. I'm sure many more miles to go. So do remember to patch up again at 4 p.m., 1600 hours sharp next Wednesday, where we patch up together to talk on the topic SaleskiVidhi. Thank you so much. Have a great evening ahead.